Final warm-up ng Team Pilipinas at marami nagsasabi, no holding back sa game na to. Both teams are out to win because they want to enter the tournament on a high note.
Eric basketball. Alam mo kanina, nag-practice dito yung France.
Take inspiration from Turkey. Back to the idea, 2010 FIBA World Cup. Turkey was the host nation. Ano nangyari sa tournament na yun? Turkey got second place, went to the final, and lost to the US at 7 for the circle level.
Kasi dito may 10 shot. A better life begins with a smart choice. Visit film like that for more details.
Nakita natin ang natural.
Kasing laki na si Jason Castro, kinuso.
I'm also Othman with a delivery from the outside. And it is three-point shot. Kasawa tayo dito. Three-point shot. PLDT hold by the most powerful broadband. And a breakaway. Una kayong dalawa.
$47 million.
Latch from close range.
Which he said won't benefit from your court 18 days. Lastly, Coach Tapp sees this game more than just a practice match, but an avenue to put to test mechanisms they have. Gentlemen.
Top of energy, Latch with a breakaway basket. And that's
Big man that he has to face.
pass and a great slam and jam.
To get going so far, we're surviving on a lot of one-on-one plays, as it against Andre Blatt.
There's Mohammed getting to
Very good defender against the point guard. He's a tall defender. I think Jason Castro may not be too much of a match against
forward, really good at one shot, but he might be able to keep 5 minutes from there. Gave forward, stacked it over to Castro. Jason, hit number. Yes, it dropped in. Jason slows it down here. Black still fires it up.
get a decent shot. I thought playing good defense and Gilas like that.
Yes, another one shot, another three.
That's that shooting opportunity.
That shot will work for
Looking forward, the number 15 player na hindi pa naglalaro dito, si Batok Birkan. Siya po yung nag-score ng 22 points, 5 out of 6 in 30 Gilas in Istanbul.
Rebound controlled by Reyes. Good shot.
Yun ang speed na kailangan natin. I think they need to be familiar heights. That's why importante sa nila manalo ngayon. They got nice.
For executing our plays because we're getting open looks. That's what we definitely want. Eventually, our players will get to be more familiar and confident in taking those broadcasts.
And now the Turkish team is heading out by Castro. Back to the corner. Dave starts his drive. Dave Norwood, keeping his step. Shot on the side. Yes! That three-point shot. Brought to you by Neil. 4:31 coming down to the last 40 seconds. Norwood is open. Got it.
Famous and polished. Free throws were so important, said in the first half.
And here comes Mohammed, who breaks away. 5 points. And it is tapped away. Just Mohammed fires. It's a three.
Usually vulnerable to those guys driving to the basket. But you know, we have to be quicker.
Then energy para sa Gilas this point.
Magic 12 points. The penetration. Yes, no problem. That time.
Meron siyang malaking height advantage.
Barrett in a jam. Shoots is over. Knocks it down.
Feel it and sense it.
Hand off to Blatch. Blatch looking for a crack in the defense. Gets it outside. Here's Terrence. Launches a three. Yes! Blatch and company. They're off and running. Backwards of Manila. Pass on the Blatch. Pass on Pitt. In the middle game. Just run it home. At the beat pala. Samantala. Naka-buwelo ng konti ang ng Gilas. And then Back eyes him up. Shot clock down to 4.
Talagang veterano ito, no?
Compose. Alam na niya gagawin niya.
Rosario attack!
Second foul for Troy Rosario, 14th foul for the Philippines.
10-point lead to Black has to rush to keep it alive. They will keep it alive.
Bobby Ray.
It's 2-1 play brought to you by Mami Rizal, the official restaurant of Team Gilas, Pilipinas. Please, Mamana, Casimbo, Lamang, Turkey. Penetration. Whoa, what a big drive. Talagang kasama ng ball. Ito ang kinanan niya. Talagang shooting na. Aridos. Problematic tayo. Malapit sa Osman with a nice diagonal pass. It is going to be scored. A pass. Pass goes to the wrong party. It will be stolen by Jason Castro. Open shot. Yes, it's a three.
Bad shots. Yes, they will take advantage.
Hindi nila pinatatagal. Black, follow up. Yes, they kasama ko. Susubukan niya siya first option. May foul, may free throws.
It's a good way to draw that foul. Sometimes talaga
His fourth foul.
Si Big, tsaka si Ashik.
Hindi nagkaintindihan yung dalawa.
Oo. Hindi naman aatras si Pig.
Nandito pa sa bahay.
Si Ashik.
kahit saan pa hindi yan nakatras.
7-footer ito, ha? Ang estilo ni Ashik parang
Double
pampusok.
second foul.
Parang finesse player, kailangan player.
Over Rashid, 5 fouls.
Double foul.
At yung...
Five personal fouls ba yun? Makakadali. Puro.
It's a good. Yun ang magandang ginawa ni Pindot. Inasar pa niya si Ashik.
Oo, parang
Ginawayan pa
matanggal.
niya. Ginawayan pa niya ba? He's shot to me. Oo, napakahirap na ng tira na yun. Ate basketball guy came dito.
12 seconds sa shot clock. Forward. Fire!
They're gonna attack glass. No, it's a goal.
Pasok na
Ito si Savash. Hindi pa nagpapakita yan. He is facilitating.
Oh, and good job. Dennis Romeo nakatabay. Tira, hindi. Sabas! Yes! Very good. Thank you very much. Of course, Calvin Abueva, the two players of the touchdown from the team. In the meantime, boy, it's a most powerful broadcast.
Siguro maraming ginawa siya in the second quarter. Lalo na nung patapos ng at the half. And he's been very consistent on outside.
Shot, not unless it's a wide open corner shot. Ito nakakuha si Terence Roman. Roman yung steal all the way home. Iba talaga ang spike mo.
Na-contribute ni Ray Clark.
At saka ito, isang dalawang NU, isang FEU, isang Terence Romeo! Yes! The LDT home fiber home was Marvel Bronx.
Makikita mo, pag nandun yung malalaki, of course, malito si Terence Romeo has been a spark plug. Kanina pa yan talaga nagko-contribute.
Ako nakita ko, no? Labanan natin ang puspusan. Up ahead in the first quarter.
Saka sumabay. Hindi nagpaiwan, hindi gaya nung nasa upload, 35 points. Kasi si Tom Baldwin, dati rin nag-coach. Sa bayan ng 13, kilala niya yung mga tao dyan. At hindi masamang showing ng koponan ng Gilas, Pilipinas. 84-76 po ang ating final score. Okay. Si Andre Blanch, pagkamat nasaktan ng konti, medyo ayos naman.